As we know, we are not the first to land on moon, but we have chance now to introduce the world a technology which can be solution to millions of problems. So my name is Rahul and I am a student of class 11 biology from Nimlarani Vidyalaya. Without wasting time, let's get into today's topic.
So, what is holography? Holography is a photographic technique that records the light scattered from an object and then represents in it a way that appears three dimensional. Holograms pop up in movies such as Star Wars and Iron Man, but the technology has not quite up to the movie magic yet. Various types of holograms have been made over the years, including transmission hologram, which allow lights to be passed through them and image to be viewed on the other side. For now, holograms are static. However, new holographic technology is being developed that projects 3D images from another location in real time. The images are also static, but they are refreshed every 2 seconds, creating a strobe like effect of movement. The researchers hope to improve the technology over the next few years to bring higher resolution and faster image streaming.
So why I have created this hologram and what can be its future applications? Let's talk about it. So holograms can be used for medical diagnosis purposes. Doctors can visualize the organs more clearly, which can save millions of lives. A few holograms can be very useful for understanding many concepts and topics. A student can learn by visualizing the topics. It can unchain the total way of studying. It can totally unchange the student's learning experience. So let's see how holograms can be useful in controlling fraud and marketing. Holograms can be used to identify the authenticity of notes as they allow to view a 3D visuals of notes from different angles. Holograms can also use to increase GDP of a country as it attracts tourism. A question can arise in your mind that why have I attached so many buildings here? So let's come to the main theme of our topic.
Holographic technology is the future of advertisement in the era of ad block.
As with the developing marketing sector, major part of consumers are mainly teenagers, which are attracted to both online shoppings and also the teen and mortal old style shopping. They enjoy both. So to attract them, new innovative technology is needed. So the holograms might be the game changer here.
According to me, the next major thing in the advertisement sector will be the incoming of holograms. The rising adoption of holographic displays for marketing in the retailer sector will be one of the main factors fueling to its growth. The holographic displays enables retailers to advertise a yet unreleased item, garnering interest even before the official launch. Furthermore, the display is portable and can be placed at highly frequented spots such as metro trains and malls, etc. So here I tried to represent my innovative idea using a small prototype. Hope you liked my presentation.